How are you, students? Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua. Subject English, Standard 8, Unit 6, The Tannetar Fair. So my dear students, in previous session we were discussing activity 10, letter writing, which we had completed. I hope you might have completed letter writing from the PDF which I gave you in your notebook. So dear students, today in this session we will discuss about itinerary. Itinerary we will discuss in this session. An itinerary is a plan of a journey. Actually, itinerary means a planned route or a journey. A traveling document recording a route or journey, that is itinerary. So an itinerary is a plan of a journey including the route and the places you will visit. Plan an itinerary into bracket time of arrival, a rough timetable, places to be visited, what to expect there, the attractions of the place. Now my dear student, you have to make this timetable. It is a kind of timetable or the route. First of all, at what time we will start, that means departure time. Okay, departure time, then arrival time, then at what time we will reach at Rangoli resort, or at what time resort we will reach, then check-in, then bathing and swimming, then what time snack and tea coffee we will have, what time we will visit Dev Fort, what time we will take lunch, what time we will be relaxing, what time we will go to Nagua beach, what time we will have dinner for one day. Okay, then next day, at what time we will have breakfast, snack, then we will visit other places. Okay, like St. Paul's Church or Gangeshwar Temple, other places we will visit. Then again, relaxing at a resort, at what time? Then other places we will visit, like a sunset point we will go and we will visit. That time also will be mentioned. Then Bandar Chowk, Bazaar shopping, that also we will visit. Then what time we will have dinner, that also we will mention there. And then departure time from Dev to our place. Okay, either if you have written Maua, then okay, otherwise Ahmedabad, which I gave you. At what time you will start from Dev to come back to Ahmedabad. So that you have to explain. Okay, again I repeat, it is itinerary means it is a route, a planned route, a journey, our timetable of a day, whatever day we will stay in, that what time we will use or what we will do in particular time, that also will be mentioned. So all the students will be ready, will get ready, will be prepared for what to do. Okay, next what they will have to do, that for that they will be prepared. Okay, so this itinerary I have prepared and I have given in the PDF form, that also you can see and you can write in your fair notebook from PDF which I have given you. And if you wish, you can make your own itinerary, your own route, your own journey timetable. You can mention at what time you started your journey, at what time you arrived, okay, at what time you reached to Rangoli resort, then the time of snacks, tea, coffee, then lunch, relaxing time, and dinner time. Okay, then again same way next day, at what time you had breakfast, snack, visiting places, then relaxing time, again visited some other places, dinner. Then at what time you came back from Diu to Ahmedabad. That also you can write. Okay, that no problem. Understood? So my dear student, I hope you have understood about itinerary. So here is the end of today's session. In the next session, we will discuss about notice writing. Okay? So see you later. Thank you very much.